Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Netflix. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will go to this window of Netflix app. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage, then you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to purchase